differentiation has a number of applications in mathematics, and one of the application is to find out whether a particular function is an increasing function or not. So before we go ahead with how to find out whether a function is increasing or decreasing using the concept of differentiation, let us first see what is an increasing function and what is a decreasing function. Consider a function y equal to fx. Let us say the function is like this. It's a downward sloping function. If I take any 2 points on this function, let us say x equal to x1 and x equal to x2. Now here the value of the function fx at x equal to x2 is f of x2, and the value of the function at x equal to x1 is f of x1. Now here if you see for any values for x, x2 greater than x1, all the values you will find f of x2 is less than f of x1. So such kind of function is called as a decreasing function, wherever f of x2 is less than f of x1 for x2 greater than x1. Now if I draw a tangent to this curve at any point on this curve, if I draw a tangent, this is the tangent line, let us say at the point P, and let us say this tangent makes an angle theta. Now this theta will always be obtuse for a downward sloping function. Now in this case, since this angle is obtuse, so tan of theta will be negative. Tan theta is less than 0. And what is differentiation? Differentiation is the tangent of the angle which the curve makes with the x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction. So if I draw a tangent, if I find out the tan of the angle which this curve makes with the x-axis, and if tan of that angle is negative, then dy by dx is also negative. So dy by dx is less than 0 at any point on this curve which is downward sloping or which is a decreasing function. Now take another function, let us say it is a upward sloping function. Now if I take a point x is equal to x1 and at x equal to x2, at x equal to x1 the function is f of x1 value, and at x equal to x2 the function is having the value f of x2. Now here if you see, for any value of x2 greater than x1, f of x2 is always greater than f of x1. So what does it mean? It means that if I draw a tangent at any point, this tangent will make the angle with the x-axis which is always acute. So the value of tan theta is greater than 0, which means the value of dy by dx is greater than 0 at any point on this curve which is a increasing function. So what we understand from all this is, an increasing function is the function where the tangent of the angle which it makes with the x-axis, means the value of the dy by dx is always positive, and for a decreasing function the value of dy by dx is less than 0. So to solve any problem related to increasing and decreasing function, let us take this function f of x is equal to x to the power 4 minus 4x cubed. Let us say this is the function, and I want to find out the interval in which this function is increasing and the interval in which this function is decreasing. So to start with the problem, I have fx which is equal to x to the power 4 minus 4x cubed. So what is the value of f dash x? Value of f dash x will be 4x cubed minus 4 into 3x square, because the derivative of the function x to the power n is n into x to the power n minus 1. So for increasing function, what will happen for increasing function? For increasing function, this f dash x has to be greater than 0. This f dash x is greater than 0 means 4x cubed minus 12x square should be greater than 0. If I take 4x square common, I will get x minus 3 is greater than 0. Now we know that 4x square is always a positive number, and for this whole f dash x to be greater than 0, this x minus 3 has to be greater than 0. So x minus 3 should be greater than 0 means x should be greater than 3 for this function to be an increasing function. So for an increasing function, the value of x will be greater than 3. That means for all the numbers, all the real numbers greater than 3, where x is greater than 3, this function is a increasing function. Now what would happen for decreasing function? For decreasing function, my f dash x should be less than 0, means 4x cube minus 12x square should be less than 0. If I take 4x square common, it becomes x minus 3 here, it should be less than 0. So what does it mean? This value is always positive, so this value less than 0 means x should be less than 3. So what we can conclude? We can conclude that the function is an increasing function. The function is an increasing function for all the values of x which are greater than 3, or it can take any greater value other than greater than 3. But for a decreasing function, your x should belong to the interval from minus infinity to plus 3. So for all the values less than 3, the function will be decreasing function. For all the values greater than 3, the function will be an increasing function. So this is the way we can solve certain questions related to increasing and decreasing function. We can just do some practice based on the problems related to increasing and decreasing function. If there are any doubts, please get back to us, and if you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.